Hello students, my name is Arlinda Zaciri. Today we will talk about how to write an invitation. I hope you like it. How to write an invitation email. Usually when we want to write invitations, we have to include first invitation to whom are you sending the invitation to. In this case, as you can see, the invitation is to a school concert. Then you always write from whom. So who is writing the invitation to? From whom? Then you have to include the time, when, and the place, of course, where. Also the time when the concert or the event starts. And of course, you'll talk about tickets or other information that you want to give to the sender. Here we have an example of an email invitation. You can see it looks like the page of the email. It says subject. You always write the subject. What are you talking about in the email? So in this case, is the school concert. Let's read the email together and see what is it about. Hi guys, do you want to come to my school concert? It's on Sunday, 5th October at the Fox Theatre, 22 Camellia Road. It starts at 3 p.m. and the tickets cost £5. I'm very excited about this concert. I'm playing the guitar in it. I practice 2 hours every day. It's hard work. By now, it's time for dinner. Mom is calling me. See you at the concert, I hope. Kylie. P.S. How about hanging out at my place after the concert? When you forget actually an information in the email, you write P.S., which means postscript, something that you wanted to add to the email. Here are some writing tips. For example, full stops. We always use full stops at the end of a sentence. For example, my name's Beth and I was 18 in July. So when you end the thought, you put a full stop in the end of the sentence. Capital letters. When you use capital letters, you use them when you start the sentence. For example, the first letter in a sentence. Her hobby is playing golf, so her is with capital letter. Then, always the pronoun I. The pronoun I is always capital in English. For example, my sister and I live together. First names and surnames, they are always with capitals. For example, John Smith is an actor. Countries and nationalities in English are always with capital letters. For example, Americans and British speak English. Also, the languages are written with capital letters. Names of places are written with capital letters too. Towns and streets too. For example, I live on Mother Teresa Street. With days of weeks and months, also you use capital letters. For example, on Wednesdays, we train football. Here you have an exercise, you have a short text actually, that you are going to try and correct the punctuation. I will give you a few seconds, some time, to try and identify the mistakes in this text. So, full stops and capital letters were necessary. Okay, probably you identified them now. First is hi. It's supposed to be with capital. Nick, because it's the name of the person, it has to be with a capital. Then I, because it's the pronoun I and is the beginning of a sentence. I'm inviting you to my English, English has to be with capital. School party, it's on Sunday. So it has to be, it has to be English capital. Saturday, 14th of November, so November has to be with capital. At 26, Alice has to be with capital. It starts at 5 o'clock. So you see, in the end of the sentence, it should be a full stop there. And also C. C is the beginning of the sentence, so the first letter has to be capital. See you there. Chris. Chris is the name of a person. It has to be capital too. Here are a few questions that you need to include actually when you make an invitation. Now, you are going to try and write an email to one of your friends inviting them to an event, a birthday party or a concert or whatever you want to invite that friend to. So you include when is it? So when is the event? Where is it? What time does it start? How much are the tickets? Are you excited? Happy? How often do you practice? If you practice, of course, anything. And suggest what to do after the concert. So try to write an email to a friend writing an invitation. For homework, you're going to do page 13 in activity book. Okay, students, I hope you liked it. And I hope that you are able now to write an invitation to someone. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next video.